Sometimes we need to calculate square root, cubic root, or fourth and even nth root of a number. How we can do it in Excel? First of all, we can use square function to calculate square root. So just like that, we have our square roots. But we can also use power function to calculate square roots using inverse numbers. So for square root is 1 divided by 2. And just like that, we have the same results. We can even use proper symbol for going with number to the power. So in case of cubic root, it will be this number, caret, in Excel is this symbol. So reverse for cubic, so for 3 is in parentheses 1 divided by 3. And just like that, we have our cubic root. So in case of fourth root, we will use the same calculation, so caret and 1 divided by 4, and we have our fourth root. And in case of 10th, I can even write this number as 0.1, and just like that, we have our 10th root. In Excel, depending on the situation, use the calculation you understand the most.